Hi guys, welcome back. This is going to be the second video today on streak. So I've just decided to do another YouTube video because my stepsister bought me this slime the other day. Well, I put some money to it as well, but we both got matching slimes with seahorse things and I like fishing them. I got a fish in mine, a yellow fish, and she got a seahorse. There is a... Can you stop looking at me like that, please? You're on YouTube now, by the way. Well, you haven't said anything, but... Anyway, we bought slime, and we had matching things. The video should be on Alicia's channel if she's uploaded it or not. But I've just decided to mix some glitter into the slime and see what it turns out like. And I decided if it turns out nice, then I'm going to do a video on the other two for the other two colours. So this is what the red one turned out like. It looks really nice. It doesn't look as good on camera, but remember this was blue and now it's red. Look at that. This to this, just because of glitter. So it looks really nice and it's really stretchy now as well, and it doesn't snap as easy. It takes more effort to snap. But for that one I use this really fine glitter that's red. I think my mum bought it off Amazon, I don't know. So next we're going to do a white one. We can't use too much white because I need it for a project in school. So, move that slime up there. And we're going to work on this one right now. So what I need to do is I need to open the glitter. This is how I did the last one. And then, this one isn't going to have as much shine in it, I don't think. Oh no. This one is weird. Okay, this one looks really weird. It looks like I've just put salt in it. I hope there's not salt in this because salt and slime do not mix. Salt makes slime go horrid and break. But this doesn't...
I'm going to drag you up the stairs by your feet. I've got 4 wings left.
Oh. Jamie is being challenged to eat wings if he doesn't go to bed now. Chicken wings, spicy hot chicken wings. Jamie, you're on YouTube now. On YouTube now. Anyway, so this is what it looks like so far. Doesn't look as different. To be honest, this one isn't as good as the red one because this one just isn't blending in very well. The glitter's not as shiny. I can't tell how much glitter I've put in. You can see the red from the last one where I accidentally got a bit of red on it. And this white glitter is just not working. Like, I think this looks nicer on projects like I'm going to do at school than in slime. So, just carry on putting some more glitter in it and see if it's not nice. It kind of reminds me of like ice cubes. Like, when I first dab it into the glitter, it looks a bit like it's frosted over, or if it's got like sugar on it. Look. It looks so cool. Oh, Jamie's gonna eat chicken wings. Jamie's gonna eat chicken wings. If you don't know who Jamie is, go check out his channel. He doesn't do much. He's probably done like 2 videos and they're all stupid. He's my brother. No word of a lie. Wow, that ripped. Oh no, I think I'm stopping it from sticking together. Oh no. Okay, this looks good enough. Oh no, it's not sticky anymore. It doesn't stretch anymore. This one isn't as good as the last one. You can kind of see the glitter in it, it just does not look nice. Like every now and then you can see little blobs of red in it. So far we've got white and red. The red one's worked out the nicest. Feels perfect, just like the blue slime did, just a different colour basically. So now, with our final blob, we're going to use this colour, which is really cool. It's like black with bits of green, red, blue, yellow. It's basically an iridescent black and it's really cool. So last slime this is, guys. Jake's watching me like I'm a creep. I think this one's gonna look
Don't ask you who
really
Jake is.
And no one comments on my videos, Jake. I've got like 1 view on each video. No one's even watching me. Only person who watches me is Alicia. So yeah. So this is already working a lot. We need lots in it. We've got to finish this video in a minute though because my device storage is going really low. So, oh, this is looking really nice already. I think it just needs a little bit more glitter in it to make it shine. Okay, I think it's almost finished. It's going really, really thick and stiff, but it looks so cool. Okay, so this is the final black. Really, really, really cool. But I still think that the red one turned out the best. Because the red one is like, I don't know, it just like, the colour came in it really nicely. So yeah, that's it for now. We've got a white slime, which is actually now blue still. We've got a black slime that's actually put itself back into shape. And we've got our red slime, which I think is the Valentine's winner. So, bye! If you want to see more slime videos, comment down below. Jake's just like, no, please no. Bye!